Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely creative, beautiful, stylish and amazing in itself, because in this video I'm sharing a very beautiful, creative, stylish and artistic design ideas of 3-in-1 embroidery patterns. Yes friends, you have heard me right. You have a very beautiful and a decent opinion giver person, that is me, on your channel. And you can use these patterns for making machine embroidery, hand embroidery, thread painting, needle art, hand art and computer embroidery as well. So all of these creative, stylish, beautiful and extremely eye-catchy design ideas are absolutely for you. Go try these patterns and create your own trendy and stylish look. For new, latest, upcoming, beautiful and trendy fashion related ideas, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch my videos on daily basis so that you could get to know amazing, trendy, stylish and beautiful patterns of hand embroidery, fashion designing ideas, girls fashionable accessories, baby dress designing and many more creativities related to home decor as well. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing trending ideas.